Hey guys, welcome back to my channel SAP Learning Studio. I am Dsouza and in this video I'll teach you how to install ADT on Eclipse, that is the ABAP Development Tools. Also I'll show you how to create a SAP BTP ABAP environment for trial user. I'll explain you everything step by step, so without wasting any time, let's begin. So if you don't have any Eclipse IDE, you need to go to the Eclipse download page. What I recommend you is to download the Eclipse IDE for Eclipse committers. Since I am using a Windows machine, I'll click on the Windows option. Downloading this will save your time as you don't need to install Eclipse on your machine. It is a package file and it will save your time. I have already downloaded this, so I'll not download it again. So you need to extract your Eclipse folder and open the Eclipse application. It will pop up to ask you to choose a workspace. So select a workspace and click on launch button. Since there is no GUI involved in ABAP Cloud, Eclipse is the tool for all your developments. You need to click on help, click on install new software, and you need to paste this link, tools.hana.ondemand.com/latest. So this will download all the latest files. Don't worry, I'll give you all the links down in the description below. Click on ABAP Development Tools, click on next. This will take some time. And then click on next. There will be another pop-up, so you just have to select agree to the license agreement and click on next. I have already downloaded ADT on my machine, so I'll not reinstall it again. So to get a trial account, you need to go to accounts.hana.ondemand.com. This will take some time to load. So if you don't have a SAP BTP account, you need to come and hit on the register button and then sign up. Since I already have an account, I'll click on the sign page. So once you have your account, it will ask you to select a service. This is nothing but a service provided by AWS or Azure. I'll select AWS and click on create account. So inside BTP accounts there are two types of accounts. One is a global account and one is a sub account. So global account represents all the contractual data or all the contractual relationship between the organization that we work for SAP. We have the quotas related to compute, the memory and the other things, and it is allocated to the sub account that we work on. Just assume this as a parent, the global account, and the sub account as a child. So we will be working on the sub account. The processing takes some time, so do have some patience. It's getting your trial account ready. Please wait for a few minutes. Your global account, sub account and the spaces will be created. Click on continue. Click on go to trial account. You need to sign out and sign in again. Note, if you have already created this service earlier, you can skip these steps. Only ABAP trial instances allowed. So this is your trial account. You need to click on boosters. And click on prepare account for ABAP trial and click on start. So as I mentioned, assigning quotas and creating instances is taking place to the sub account. You need this service key, so download this service key. Open your Eclipse. Here, once the ADT is installed, you need to click on this icon open perspective and select the ABAP perspective. Click on open and then click on create an ABAP project, ABAP Cloud project. Click on extract. Here you need the downloaded file. This is the key for your free trial account. Click on open. Copy this link to your clipboard and paste the ABAP service instance URL. Click on next. Now either you can open the logon page in browser or copy the link. Once you log in, you have successfully created your free ABAP account. So this is your BTP ABAP trial account. Click on finish. So there you have it. If you face any problems, please write them in the comment section. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. In the next video, we will see how to create a package and how to write your first ABAP Cloud program.